I've already got the PTO on and everything. Just gonna video blow by. To turn the PTO on, you have to set the parking brake, flip the switch, turn the cruise on, hit the set, and it'll rev up about 1250 RPM. I'm gonna give the phone to my wife and I'll operate the crane. I've already got it up in the air. It reaches a long ways up. I've already, one thing I did notice, the control levers for the outriggers, the one that says right is the left and the one that says left is right. Other than that, everything seems to be fine. Again, it's already up. I've got another truck I haven't put online yet that will get you a snatch block off of it. I noticed this one don't have a snatch block. If you need a snatch block, it's up to you. I know it doubles the lifting capacity. So anyways, I'll operate it all while she videos. You can just stand over here, it's fine. That way you can get.
John, push the button. Hey, you're getting a call. It's coming through on your screen. There it is. It went off.
You can control the speed, how fast stuff moves by how much you push the button. Like I barely got the winch moving there. Or you can go ahead and push the button in all the way and it'll. And then from the control, you hit function, air compressor. I don't know if you can hear it in the video, but it is on. And it's a rotary, so it builds air. It just kicked off. It's at 120-30 psi. It builds air like ASAP. So, anyways, I'll go ahead and put everything down, and I got to turn the compressor off to be able to operate the crane again. It won't. So that being said, it won't run the crane and the compressor both. When you turn the compressor on, the crane won't run. Anyways, I'll upload this video and send it to you shortly.